Dame un poco love with some Hennessy. You know I like it.
Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing a do-it-yourself lip scrub. Whoop whoop. So these are definitely things that you can find laying around your house. You don't need every single thing that you see here. You can go ahead and just find things that you have around your house that are similar or the exact thing, whatever. But you can go ahead and be as creative as you want with this. So first off, we have light brown sugar. So we're going to be using some of that in this lip scrub. We also have some pure granulated sugar. We also have some cinnamon. We have pure clover honey, olive oil, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. You don't need every single item that I have here, but if you have everything and you want to use it, then definitely go ahead and use it because I think this is going to give the best results. Okay, I have my measuring spoons right here. So let's get started. I have a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. So let's go ahead and do that. Cinnamon will help stimulate your lips for like a natural plumping sensation.
I don't call back, yeah, it's me, I know. I've been so gone since when we last spoke. Doing what we did since when we last spoke.
I'm just using olive oil to help moisturize my lips, and it also contains vitamins and minerals and protein. The lemon juice has vitamin C and citric acid, which will brighten your skin and help reduce scars and exfoliates your skin.
When you mad at me, I know you with him, pero ven aquí.
And then I decided to add honey because it is a natural antibacterial, and it also has amino acids that will moisturize your lips.
And I want it on the go, go, go. When it comes to me and you me tienes loco, go. Yo te busco en la noche, baby. Oh, 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 fuego, fuego, tú lo haces, pones todo, todo en mi delante. And I want it on the go, go, go. When it comes to me and you me tienes loco, go. Yo te busco en la noche, baby. Dame un poco love with some Hennessy. You know I like it when you mad at me. I know you with him, pero ven aquí. I know you with him, but you calling me. Good job, first. Good job, first.